Feedly is a news aggregator application for various web browsers and mobile devices running iOS and Android, also available as a cloud-based service. It compiles news feeds from a variety of online sources for the user to customize and share with others. Feedly was first released by DevHD in 2008. History: in November 2006, Edwin Kortarbicka co-founded DevHD. The company seeks to create a platform that uses RSS feeds, online storage, and social media integration to connect users with the information they find interesting. DevHD a Euro unregistered trademark's first project, Streets, which aggregates updates from a variety of online sources, is the basis of Feedly. Feedly, which was optimized for RSS feeds, was first released on June 15, 2008. Originally called Feedo, Feedly was first released as a web extension before moving on to mobile platforms. On March 15, 2013, Feedly announced 500,000 new users in 48 hours due to the closure announcement of Google Reader. By April 2, 2013, the total number of new users was up to 3 million. At the end of May 2013, the total user number was up to 12 million. Web browser applications: there is an extension available for numerous web browsers including Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Feedly integrates into the web browser, appearing as a clickable icon that redirects the user to their Feedly page, where all of the news feeds are found. The browser extension touts a minimalistic, yet customizable interface that is stylized as an actual magazine. The user can also customize the content aggregated by Feedly to include their own personal preference of RSS feeds. The interface itself can be altered based on layout, color, and categorization of articles based on sources, likes, and those referred to by other users. Any article can then be shared using email, Facebook, Google+, Tumblr, Twitter, and a variety of other services. As of June 19, 2013, Feedly Cloud negated the requirement for a web browser extension, allowing all browsers to access the site. Android and iOS app: the Feedly mobile application is available for iOS and Android devices. All versions of the app run on Streets, which allows for the application to run on the same code for all devices. Running the same code across multiple platforms lets the developers release updates faster because they are only working with one version. Like its web counterpart, the mobile application employs a minimalistic interface that imitates a magazine spread. However, unlike the browser extension, the Feedly app cannot load an entire article. Instead, it will present a summary, and a link to the actual article. The mobile application acts as a browser on its own, so any redirects happen inside the app itself, as opposed to opening a separate internet browser. Additionally, the application adapts to the user, and will recommend posts based on what the user has read or shared in the past. The Feedly app does not support offline mode, but third-party apps offer the service. Reception: Feedly has received mostly positive reviews. Many have praised its minimalist design and personalized interface. However, some have found the service relies too heavily on its minimalist approach, while others have stated that the degree of customization can be overwhelming for first-time users. Following the termination date for Google Reader, transitioning users began to express frustration at the number of seemingly basic features that were broken or missing from the latest version of Feedly. Moreover, on November 8, 2013, Feedly disabled login via oath, forcing users to use Google+ authentication. This change was announced less than 24 hours before taking place. As a result, many users reliant to this social network are unable to export their feeds. This change was rolled back on the same day. So far, the users can choose either Google+ or Oath login. Denial of service attacks: on June 11, 2014, Feedly suffered crippling denial of service attacks that prevented users from accessing their information. The attackers demanded ransom from Feedly, which Feedly refused to pay. See also: comparison of feed aggregators, Flipboard, Pulse, references. External links: official website, Feedly on Twitter, DevHD company profile on Crunchbase.